The most common missing factor in starting an online business? It could be this simple. Working smarter, not harder, is the key to better results. Everyone has seen the enticing world of building a business online, but few are able to harness its power. In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple, yet regularly overlooked, factor in building a business online. Before I do, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what an online business is. The vision of fancy cars and crazy laptop lifestyle. Instagram kids might come to mind, and I wouldn't blame you for brushing off the idea of building an online business as a scam or a myth, something that all these flashy people are faking, using trust funds to pay for it all. Truth is, those types of individuals are a microcosm of reality. Today, more people than ever are making a living by selling products, physical or digital, online. From young upstarts fresh out of school to retirees, the online economy is more diverse than ever. So what is the missing factor? Well, to put it simply, if you're looking to do something completely new, from scratch, you shouldn't be afraid to ask for help. Finding a strategic partner that can work with you and help you avoid the mishaps that they've already overcome can be a powerful way to avoid those early common mistakes. I want to invite you to a program where the exact ingredients are mapped out for you on how an online business works, and many different examples of what it takes to create a profitable one from scratch. Click the link in the description now.